wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what.
Okay, that's it. But damn, that's slow. You know what? It wasn't my best run, but I haven't gone for running in 2 weeks. I just hope this kedai got air, guys. Salah, aku terpanjat saya tu tiger. Shit, tak ada air botol. Tired, yeah. Okay, on the walk back, I need to find some water. Maybe I can stop by that Starbucks. It's about 1.4 km away. Let's hope I can reach there. By the way, I booked my TP test on 12th January. That's about a month away now, exactly a month away. I have to be at SSDC at 8:15 AM. 8:15 AM. Kira lepas subuh tu aku naik bas. God damn. That's early. That's freaking early. Ada nasi lemak siu. Nasi lemak. Aku nak beli air lah, gila.
So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life through.
I have 20 ringgit. Let's see what 20 ringgit can get at Starbucks at 7 AM. Okay, ini ada Starbucks. Okay, let's see. Air putih ada botol?
Ya.
Air botol ke?
Ini ada EV ni juga.
Boleh lah.
RM2 je.
Okay, boleh.
Tu jadi 50 sen. Okey.
Sini kedai semua tak lambat
Semua buka lambat.
Kedai semua lambat lambat.
Oh, lambat sikit je.
Biasa buka pukul 12 je lah.
Nak breakfast ke no?
Breakfast ke apa ke?
Kat Petronas tu dah.
Oh, Petronas Okay.
Tengah hari pun sama ke?
Oh, okay. Okay, terima kasih bang. Okay. Air botol 750 ringgit. 750 ringgit in dollars is still expensive. It's like 2 something. Gila banget sia. Siapa sia nak beli botol Evian 7 ringgit? Aku je haus. Dah haus nak cakap apa Dia kerja gila. But Evian water does slap, so it's okay. Compare NPC, Malaysia NPC with Singapore one. Diorang pakai Proton je. But I think in the police station they have quarters, like you can stay in. I think not like Singapore one, because Singapore small mah. Power tuti dia dah gila lah saya. Okay, now you can see a bit more stuff. Budget hotel. Budget hotel. Ni orang ada biking group. Biking group. Ni Masjid Ar-Rahman. Just now pass by. They have a zakat app for Pulau Pinang.
Ya, sebelum apa ya? Allah bilang Allah.
Honestly aku tak faham apa dia cakap, but smile and wave boys. Smile and wave.